To thank Royal Media Service because they have committed themselves in a letter which they surrendered the weapons and the uniforms which were gathered to us here. And if you see this letter, the entire story was that the police were behind this and the ones who gave out the weapons and the uniform. We were the accused, the police. We are the ones who are the owners of this. We are the ones who give them to criminals. If you look at this rate of surrender, it shows 8 items, but if you see like AK-47, surely, in all fairness, to say is for a police firearm, it could be having a police identification serial number, which they have confirmed belong to a police, and even if it was deleted, we could be seeing not only the direction of the serial number, but the direction of the police identification. The expert is here. I'm going to show you, neither even the pistol, which actually I've seen it today in my lifetime. This is the first time I'm seeing that kind of a pistol. And then, again, why I thank the Royal Media, they have said we remain available to answer any questions that you may have on this matter. Thank you so much.